Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to make the trademark symbol in Microsoft Word and how to make it smaller. Now this is Microsoft Word for Windows 7, but it should work with Windows Vista and in Microsoft Windows XP. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have a Microsoft Word document opened up, and the way to create a trademark symbol is open parentheses, TM, close parentheses, and Microsoft Word should automatically create that trademark symbol. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so you can see it better. So I'll do it once again, open parentheses, TM, close parentheses, and the trademark symbol is made. So let's say you have a logo here and you want to put the trademark symbol, and you want to make this trademark symbol a little bit smaller. So all you have to do is click on make font smaller up here and it'll shrink the font size. Also, you can make it a subscript or a superscript, which will also make it a lot smaller. I'm Omar and I just showed you how to create a trademark symbol and make it smaller in Microsoft Word. Have a good day.